Hi, welcome to episode 14. So today we're going to go over firing your bad customers. So, why do we want to do this? Right, first of all, I look at running a business like the 80-20 rule, right? 28% of your bad customers, this is a generalization, right? 20% of your customers make up 80% of your work, and 20% of your good customers generate 80% of your revenue, or even your margins. So you want to look at focusing your time on those good customers and not waste your time like a life-sucking, draining, toxic customers. So first of all, how do you know if they're toxic or they're not good for you? Think of it this way: is there a customer that you can think of that whenever they call or whenever they're they're emailing you, you just dread responding? No one on your team wants to really talk to them because they're just so soul sucking, right? So that's one of those toxic customers. So then now I know you're gonna say, well, Dave, I can't let them go. I can't fire them. They're a huge source of my revenue. Well, that's a problem, right? So one of the first things you want to do is look at that, like, okay, if they're a big part of your revenue stream, look at it and start positioning yourself where can I go to find better customers, to basically not have that one toxic customer or handful of toxic customers be your main stream, because sooner or later it's either you're going to break or they're going to break your business. So start moving towards that direction today, not tomorrow. Sometimes is having those conversations with those customers. Believe it or not, they might not realize that they're being a bad customer. It's setting the right expectations, right? So those are some of the things that can help. And then also just keep in mind, again, I just want to reiterate, don't keep bad and toxic customers. If they continue to do this to you and your organization, it will affect your culture and people, the good individuals in your organization, and your other customers will feel it, and they're going to start leaving. And that's the truth, because they just can't take it anymore. They just don't like that work environment, and we shouldn't create organizations to have these types of toxic environments, right? We could always make money doing other things that is more fulfilling and is more enjoyable, right? So hope that helps. Have a good day.